How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Phantom Wallet on PC. Now, first of all, open the Bybit website and make sure to log into your account. Now, after that, head over to Assets and click on Withdraw. And as you can see here from the coin, you can click here and search for the USDT, or you can click it from here. After that, select the on-chain withdrawal for that. Now, the on-chain, what you need to do, we need to select the Solana because we will be to transfer this token to Phantom Wallet, because Phantom Wallet is only accepted the Solana network. Now, to click the wallet address from your Phantom Wallet of Solana, go to Phantom Wallet and now search for the Solana token. In this case, it will be this. Now click on it. Now click on receive and just copy the token address from here and go back to Bybit, and you can paste it in the wallet address box. As you can see, set the amount that you want to transfer. And after that, you can click on confirm. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your USDT from Bybit to Phantom Wallet. So this is how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.